really frustrated with Disney these days, and there are a few reasons, and most revolve around the new costs they've just announced that you are going to need to factor into your Disney experience. That's right! Bye-bye FastPass, and hello more expensive upgrades. Please give me a big thumbs up if you're frustrated too. And please subscribe. First off, let's talk about the Disney FastPass, or should I say the lack thereof. Because Disney just announced that they're not bringing back the FastPass at all. And that brings me to my second frustration, because they are replacing it with a supposedly complimentary app called Disney Genie. They boast about it being free, but from the look of it, it really doesn't do much more than Disney-related apps that you've already probably got loaded onto your phone, giving you things like estimated wait times for rides and ways to eat. Look, I hate to say it, but it sounds like just another way to sell us upgrades, which I'll get into in a second. But the other reason why I hate this Genie app is that it will get us all looking down at our phones more, when we should be looking up and enjoying the sights around us. I didn't spend all that money to go to Disney and spend my day looking down at my phone. I mean, you adults are always telling us kids to look away from our phone, but then Disney gives us this app to plan our entire day, and I'm not convinced it's going to add anything to my visit that I don't already have, unless I pay for upgrades. And that brings me to the upgrades that now we are expected to buy to hopefully improve our chances of getting on the rides that we want. There are two upgrades that they'll be trying to sell us. One is called Genie Plus, and the other is called Lightning Lane. And the differences between the two, well, it's kind of confusing. In fact, it sounds like you have to buy one in order to buy the other, but I can't even quite figure that part out. What's worse is, take a look at the fine print on them before you plunk down your money. Because they keep saying things like how with Genie Plus, you can only make one selection at a time, and attraction subject to limited availability. That's the important part. We don't know which attractions you can even get yet. And for Lightning Lane, they say schedule a time to arrive at up to 2 highly demanded attractions each day. So that means just 2 rides. And also that you're only scheduling the time you arrive, not the time of your ride, which means it'll just be a different line you'll be in, kind of like FastPasses, which, may I remind you, used to be free with the already super expensive ticket prices. And let me call attention to the words highly demanded attractions. Highly demanded. Does that mean any ride or just the ones they choose for us? What exactly classifies as a highly demanded ride? Are they the same every day or what? And they also say about the Lightning Lane, subject to limited availability, and pricing for this option will vary by date, attraction, and park, and will be announced closer to launch. So what does that tell me? Well, essentially not only do we not know what we're getting for our money, we don't even know what it will cost us. Look, you know I love Disney. In fact, if this pandemic will just let up, I'm hoping to be there this winter, and I'll be able to tell you firsthand whether these new upgrades are worth the money. So be sure to subscribe. But Disney, please stop all the legalese and fine print and give us a better explanation of exactly what we'll be getting with these upgrades. Because Genie Plus is going for $15 or $20 per person per day, which can really add up for a family, on top of the ticket prices and all the other expenses that come with a trip to Disney. And they're not even saying yet what Lightning Lane will cost us. Sorry, but it's too many changes, too many upgrades, and too much confusion. And a whole lot of people like me are feeling the same way. I'm pretty sure of it. Hit that like button if you agree, please. And thanks for watching. Only a small percentage of my viewers subscribe, so if you could hit that subscribe button, you'd really be helping me out. And you can always unsubscribe at any time. Bye!